Very good morning, students. I, Asad Patel, welcome you to study from home. Today, I am going to explain you uh, chapter number 8, A Treat for a Mosquito, class 5 EVS. Right? So, here, some children were talking about blood test. Why they were talking about blood test? Because Rajat had a blood test. Okay, Rajat is back at school today. He had been absent for many days. How are you now? Asked Aarti. I'm alright, Rajat softly replied. Jaskat, you must have played lot of while you are at home. Rajat asks, who want to play when you have a fever? On top of it, I had to take a bitter medicine. I even had a blood test. Okay, so Rajat explained about the situation, right? Why he was on leave, just because uh, he was not well. He was sick, right? And their friend means his friend Rajat's friend asked that you enjoy a lot during this leave, but actual reason the students were not aware about actual reason. So just get blood test. Why? It must have been very painful. Jaskirat was surprisingly asked. Rajat replied, actually, when the needle pricked my finger, it felt it take an ant bite. They took 2 to 3 drops of blood and sent it for the testing. That's how we come to know I had a malaria. So now picture is clear. Rajat had a malaria. Okay. See, not only malaria, but there are other fever or other disease can be diagnosed, means identify with blood by blood test. For example, malaria, typhoid, dengue, chikungunya, cholera. Cholera is not diagnosed, but jaundice, yellow fever. These are some disease which diagnose through blood test. Clear, beta? Nancy, but you get malaria when mosquito bite you, Rajat replied. Yes, but we find out by the blood test. Okay, so Jaskirat asks, there are lots of mosquito. Jaskirat says, there are lots of mosquito in my house these days, but I did not get malaria. Okay. Jaskirat says lots of malaria. It means malaria, or not all type of mosquito carry malaria, or in other words, not all mosquito carry malaria. There are some there are some mosquito who carry malaria, and these are the female anopheles which carry malaria in its salivary gland or a stomach. Okay, clear? Nancy replied, who says every mosquito bite causes malaria? Malaria spread only by disease carrying mosquito. So this disease carrying mosquito called female anopheles mosquito. Right? Now Aarti says all mosquito look same to me. Rajat, there must be some difference. Okay. See, what is difference between mosquito which carry malaria and which is not carry, we don't carry malaria. So see, if you study mosquito with a modern microscope means a instrument. Microscope is an instrument which magnifies small image or unseen image. So if you study with the microscope, electronic or electronic microscope or modern microscope, you could find plasmodium inside the stomach or a salivary gland. Okay, plasmodium. Now this plasmodium hide when mosquito bite someone, or when mosquito bite you. This plasmodium hide under the red blood cell. Okay, why they take a shelter of red blood cell? Because to hide themselves from the immune system, and this is how they enter. They spread throughout the body, as well as they can enter into the liver. And what they will do, they take shelter and multiply in red blood cell. Then they destroy, they kill red blood cell, and the wastage of this red blood cell uh, causes toxic material in our body, and that toxic material um, toxic material uh, become a cause of malaria, reason of malaria. Second thing, beta, after killing this red blood cell, after destroying this red blood cell, this plasmodium uh, again multiply, and they started destroying red blood cell and continuously causing this toxic material inside body, and that is the reason person or someone had a malaria. Now find out, do you know anyone who had a malaria? Maybe in your family, right? How did they find out that they had malaria? What problem did they have on having malaria? So through blood test, malaria, the symptoms of malaria is rigors, fever, chills, and rigors, as I told you. What other disease can be caused by mosquitoes? Mosquito causes dengue, chikungunya, yellow fever. Okay, these are some disease. In which season malaria is more common? Why do you think this is happen? Okay, in the month of monsoon, this season, okay, malaria is common because larva, baby mosquito breed in monsoon. Why baby mosquito breed in monsoon? Because you find collected water in a pit and around your house. So baby mosquito breed in a stagnant, means not moving water, not moving and collected water. For example, peat, lake, pond, or cooler, in a pot. So these are some place where the baby mosquito, they are called larvae, breed. Okay, clear? Now you can see this is this is report of malaria, right? Clinical Vikruti report. It is Hindi, clinical pathology report. Okay, central government health scheme. Name of patient Rajat, age 11 year. स्त्री या पुरुष मीन्स सेक्स मेल. रोग की पहचान, डायग्नोसिस मीन्स रोग की पहचान. ओके, इट इज फीवर विथ चिल्स. मलेरिया पैरासाइट फाउंड इन अ ब्लड सैंपल, राइट? मलेरिया पैरासाइट, खून में मलेरिया के जीवाणु पाए गए. क्लियर? So this is how doctor identify, or this is doctor diagnose the disease. Diagnosis means a chemical and physical change undergone by a sediment after its initial deposit as it's turned into rock. Okay, clear beta? Diagnosis means to identify. Okay, diagnosis means identify the nature. Okay, sorry, by mistake I said wrong definition. Diagnosis means identify the nature or causes of some phenomena. So this is how they diagnose. Now anemia. with the by the talking they divert their topic anemia. Now what is anemia? Anemia is a lack of iron or a hemoglobin in a blood. Okay, the symptoms of anemia is person feel drowsiness, dizziness, tiredness, right? And their physical and mental health both are affected. Here we have an anemia common in Delhi. It is a report of November 2007. Thousands of students of thousands of children studying in the municipal corporation school in Delhi suffer from anemia. Okay, the causes of anemia is unhealthy food. Okay, consumption of unhealthy food. Maybe anemia cause in some people anemia by birth. Okay, when their red blood cell, when their body is failed to produce this red blood cell in body. So, but generally those who consume unhealthy food may had an anemia, and this is fine in the people who are whose background is very poor, financially poor, right? This is a poster. Okay, like how you can stop malaria from spreading, right? These are some points, these are some precautions to take, right? Clear, beta? Okay, and this is larvae I was talking about, right? These are the baby mosquito. They look like a small thread. Okay, and they breed in a stagnant water. Now how to stop this larvae to breed? Okay, we can spray kerosene, or we can put fish into fish tank, or we can spray kerosene. This is how we can stop larvae. Okay, beta. Student, this is all about today. I'll explain you more about this chapter in my next class. Till then, thank you very much and have a nice day.